forever young. Being forever young, you have to pay the price of youth. Hear me and understand what I'm trying to say. Being forever young, you have to pay the price of youth. You see, most of these artists, with those actors, most of not just them, most of these people that you see that they are not getting youth, that they are getting younger day by day, they have to sacrifice something that is still very young, an infant. I don't think maybe I can actually go too far on this too, because most of the videos I've been posting, they've been getting banned. But please check out my YouTube channel. Yeah, my YouTube channel, you see a lot of the videos that I can't actually see on TikTok. Thanks for the like, thanks for the comment, thanks for the sharing, thanks for the donations. I really, really appreciate everything you guys are doing. Thank you. So, to be forever young, you have to pay the price of it. So, the price of it is that you have to sacrifice in young lad, an infant, yes, someone that is still young that hasn't sinned yet, to renew yourself. And you have to do so very often to stay young, to stay that way. When you don't do that, have you seen that movie that what's the name of that movie self? The one with Legend of the Seeker. Yes, Legend of the Seeker. That woman, she used to sacrifice newborn babies for the gods just to stay forever young. And when she couldn't find anybody to sacrifice, then she was very old. You can see that she was very old. Yes. So that was wasn't even babysitting. She was drinking a potion. But when she didn't see the potion, she became very old to go to. That's when she went to her real age. That's what happens. The ones that you see that something is happening to them, that they are looking tattered, looking very old, some are looking sick, is because they haven't made their sacrifices, or some of them had the change of heart that they don't want to do the sacrifices again. So they prefer to not use children to gather good health, wealth for themselves. Instead, they prefer to go the other way around. Yeah, let me tell you guys something. Life is the way you want it to be. Everything you see that is happening around you is actually a reflection of yourself. I want to say something in parables. You see, let me not get there yet. Okay. See some families, they will know that all they need, they want two children, but they'll give birth to four. They'll be prepared to use the remaining two for sacrifices to gain monetary. You see, some star beings, some choosing ones, people's wife will actually come to you to cheat with you, not because they love you or there is something special about you. What they really want is to get pregnant by you, and they will lie that it is their husband that got them pregnant, so they can use your baby for sacrifice to replenish their health, wealth on the long run, to make sure that their children's future is secure. You are just like a pawn in the game of chess being played. But you think that no, maybe she's having issues with her husband and she wants me to come in. Not that she really wants you. She just wants to use your life as a magnetic battery. She just wants to use you to have one of your kids so that they can sacrifice them on the longer run. I hope you get that. So they can use them as sacrifice on the longer run to secure the good life for their family, their kids, everyone around them. That's what that is for. So I'm just going to say, you see, there are some people, when I say in parables, there are some people where their energy is kind of universal. They were placed on this earth to help people. You understand? Now, let's not assume that there is someone that is a bank manager. You understand? The bank manager. The bank manager needs money. People coming to the bank needs money. Everybody needs money. But now when they gave the bank manager, they gave the bank manager the safe to take money from, to take care of himself, to take money to give the people that need it, and to take money to and give to people around. But they didn't give the bank manager the password to the safe. Hear me and hear me good. There was a bank manager. The bank manager was given a safe. The safe so that he can take money from the safe, use for himself. And when he's happy with himself, then he can take money and give to people outside. Take money and give to lots of people from that safe. But they didn't give him the password to that safe, the combination to that safe. Do you know that that bank manager wouldn't be able to give anybody money? And when the bank manager won't be able to take care of himself, I won't even be able to give anybody money. So it is only when the bank manager is satisfied, when the bank manager, if the bank, if the bank manager has the password, has the combination to the safe, then the bank manager will be able to give people money. I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm saying. I don't know, maybe you don't. Do with the information whatever you need. Thank you. God bless you. That's all I just want to say.